We're at Fluffy's, and she's here, and Lucifer, her dad's here, and Grey Tabby cat's here. So the whole gang's here. And we're cloudy with threat of rain sometime this afternoon or early evening, whichever it works out to be. We also have wind. Windy. Tabby cat's up on the fence. Kitty. Fluffy's going over to join Jay already. Hasn't finished her treats completely. Some of the horses over at Whispering Hills Ranch. Golden crown, white crown sparrow back, song sparrow, golden crown.
Well, I spotted one turkey today. Don't know where the other one is. This one up on the roof, picking away at the rain gutter. Second turkey down in the driveway.
Hey, come on down. Come on, Missy. Come on. May not be Missy, this may be Bro. He's not as attached to Jay and me as Missy is. Come on down. You can do it. Okay. Missy's here and her brother Bro is trying to figure out how to get over. She found a worm. Bless your little heart. Yeah, food. We haven't seen you over here for a few days. What's up? Here we go. Here comes Bro. You watch these guys run and you tell me you don't think about the theme from Jurassic Park, because I sure do. Very good. Yeah, there's peanut pizzas all around. I was trying to entice Bro to get off the fence, but it didn't work. You want more worms? I think we have some on the table. I'm not trying to trick you, I'm just going for worms. Want a worm? Want a worm? Yeah. Yeah, we haven't seen you for a few days. What's up? Oh, there's a third worm. I'm sorry, I'm all out of worms. Yeah. I'm all out of worms. Well, there we go. Jay's giving them a lot of worms. We haven't seen them for a while. Okay, we gotta save some for a possible Speedy return trip. We didn't see him on our way here. He may be at the southern side on our return. Yeah. Yes, you guys are just absolutely handsome. Both of yous. Okay, we're going to leave you to enjoy the food. We're back at Fluffy's, and Grey Tabby Cat was seen walking this way as well. There, she just slithered on by. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Yeah. She goes, oh yeah, treats. Treats for Fluffy and treats for Grey Tabby. It's okay, gets the treats. She's gonna find them, maybe. Anyway, back to Fluffy. She's not finding them.